Good morning, Italian Beast, with another video. And yes, I did catch a cold. I'm not feeling the best, but to build muscle, no matter what, I still need to eat. So I'm gonna get pizza, and the few accessories for the iPad coming from Amazon was due tomorrow, but it's out for delivery today. So it's gonna be a bonus. I'm gonna show you a few accessories that won't break your bank account after spending quite a lot of money on the iPad. Overall, I was having a bit of problems with the editing software on the iPad, so I used a different software now. And yeah, I'm looking forward to this. Using the iPad for, I think it's been 7 days now. Battery life is great on it. Watching movies on it is phenomenal. A few things but didn't go into the video because of the editing software, didn't get it in, was no headphone jack. Something on an iPad I would have really liked. It does have USB-C, so you're able to connect it to a monitor, which is perfect. And yeah, once I get everything, we'll go on this with an open-minded review, and I'll show us a few accessories and the knockoff Apple Pencil that only cost €22 instead of 135 because Ireland has expensive tax. Overall, everything I do get from Amazon, this for the iPad Air 2020 model, I'll be linking it in the description below. So if you just want to check it out, go ahead. And yeah, I'm looking forward to this. I'm literally in so much pain, so hopefully I can do this video without passing out or getting sick. But it's what happens. We look after our bodies no matter what. We're eating healthy. I eat healthy. It's only one day a week I allow myself to eat whatever I want. And unfortunately, I got sick. But hey, gym tomorrow. Hopefully I'm feeling much better. Okay. This shit is beautiful. Alright, dip it into the garlic dip. Okay. This is actually really bloody bomb. Whew! This shit is unreal. Alright. 4-star pizza. Take note, this is how you do pizza. Even though it costs €33 for this, it's gone up quite a lot. But I'd sooner spend this much money than on 4-star pizza. So Domino's doing a great job. I'll bring the price down. Alright, so the toppings got chicken jalapeno, mushroom, peppers, and olives to make it a little healthier. This is bloody beautiful. This garlic dip is the one thing I hate when I was in America. The garlic dip in the US is not like this. It's like a buttery and it's just so vile. Like personally, I didn't like it. So Domino's in the US, this is what you do. I think I'm gonna be dying. Alright, is anybody like this? You get the garlic bread and you dip in garlic to make it extra garlicky. So let's get this big boy and rub it into the hole. Get it all juicy in the inside. This is phenomenal. Okay, this is really, really good. Alright, let's do one more slice of garlic bread. Alright. It tastes so good. This is like heaven. If heaven was made out of pizza, this would be heaven right now. Alright, got the pizza. Alright. If there's any other pizzas you just want me to try, let me know. I'm going to be in Madrid next month. So if anybody knows any good pizza places in Madrid, let me know. And I'll be doing some videos over there. Oh, this is so good. This is actually really good. Alright. Got the pizza. Have some. It's okay. I'll let just have a 20 bite. And yes, I'm wearing a different top for once. It's just, I watched those tops and I have a few of those tops, so. This is very good. I can't believe I'm having Domino's for breakfast. This is unreal. Oh my god. This is phenomenal. Garlic bread, 9 out of 10. Pizza, 9.2 out of 10. This is phenomenal. And then we got the cookies, which I'm gonna have those for later. So, overall, the price is a little TGH, but overall, this is amazing. Domino's, if you're watching this within 20 minutes of this video, go get yourself a pizza and do not get pineapple on it. Alright? So, keep it real. I'll see you all, and I hope we can do videos more of this. So, keep it Italian. Alright, twisty dough balls with the pesto in it. It's alright. It's actually pretty decent. Garlic bread, save that for later. And then we got the cookies. Alright. Garlic dip. Smells beautiful. Alright. Are you ready in for the close-up? Oh my. You ready? Alright, let's do this. Okay. Woo! Alright, let's go with the skinniest one here. Alright. Really good. It's actually really nice. Okay, this shit is whack, man.